Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, I haven't been to Paris yet.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Did you watch a movie last night?
No, I didn't watch a movie last night.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Can you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a teacher.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I love reading books.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to pop music.
Did you have breakfast this morning?
Yes, I had toast and coffee.
How do you spend your weekends?
I usually relax and watch movies.
Are you good at cooking?
No, I'm not very good at cooking.
What's your dream vacation destination?
My dream destination is Hawaii.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Have you ever met a celebrity?
No, I haven't met any celebrities.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I like comedy movies.
Can you speak another language?
Yes, I can speak Spanish.
Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Yes, I love hiking and camping.
Have you ever ridden a motorcycle?
No, I've never ridden a motorcycle.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
Are you a morning person?
No, I'm more of a night owl.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy the beach.
Have you ever had a pet?
Yes, I had a cat when I was a child.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I enjoy studying mathematics.
Do you prefer city life or countryside?
I prefer city life.
Have you ever tried skydiving?
No, I haven't tried skydiving.
What's your favorite sport?
I like playing basketball.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Have you ever been on a road trip?
Yes, I've been on several road trips.
What's your favorite type of food?
I love Italian cuisine.
Do you have any phobias?
Yes, I'm afraid of heights.
Are you a good swimmer?
No, I'm not a very good swimmer.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite holiday.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I like gardening.
Have you ever attended a concert?
I appreciate abstract art.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you believe in aliens?
No, I don't believe in aliens.
Are you a fan of video games?
Yes, I enjoy playing video games.
Have you ever climbed a mountain?
No, I haven't climbed a mountain.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather.
Do you have a favorite animal?
Yes, I love dogs.
What's your favorite type of art?
I appreciate abstract art.
Do you enjoy watching sports?
Yes, I like watching soccer.
Have you ever built a snowman?
Yes, I've built a snowman before.
What's your most cherished possession?
My most cherished possession is a family photo.
Do you like to travel by train?
Yes, I enjoy traveling by train.
Have you ever tried sushi?
No, I haven't tried sushi yet.
What's your favorite type of shoe?
I prefer comfortable sneakers.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
Do you prefer texting or calling?
I prefer texting most of the time.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
My favorite memory is camping with family.
Have you ever been to a music festival?
Yes, I've been to a few music festivals.
Do you have a favorite board game?
Yes, I like playing Monopoly.
What's your go-to karaoke song?
I enjoy singing Bohemian Rhapsody.
Are you a morning shower or evening shower person?
I prefer evening showers.
Have you ever tried bungee jumping?
No, I haven't tried bungee jumping.
What's your favorite type of ice cream?
I love chocolate chip cookie dough.
Do you enjoy watching documentaries?
Yes, I find documentaries interesting.
Have you ever been to a comedy show?
Yes, I've been to a stand-up comedy show.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
I use Instagram the most.
Do you have a favorite historical figure?
I admire Abraham Lincoln.
Are you good at remembering names?
No, I often forget names.
Have you ever tried rock climbing?
No, I haven't tried rock climbing.
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
I like turkey and avocado sandwiches.